Hi YouTube. Okay, so this is my first let's say unboxing type of video. Yeah. I've tried YouTube a while back for my fitness business, which didn't work out because uploading videos on YouTube was just so time consuming. Like it took 2 to 3 days with our internet just to upload one single video, and I just caved in and I just quit with that. So I stuck with Facebook for the last 2 years. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I can't remember when I uploaded my last video, but now we've got proper internet, so now I'm gonna try YouTube once again.